Emergencies rarely come with a warning, which is why being prepared is one of the smartest investments any modern professional can make. In this video, we're counting down 10 essential emergency preparedness gadgets designed to help you stay safe, self-sufficient, and ready for unexpected situations at home, on the road, or during travel. From life-saving medical gear and emergency lighting to portable power solutions like the Jackery Explorer 300 and vehicle recovery tools like the NOCO Boost GB40, these practical gadgets can provide peace of mind when it matters most. Whether you're building your first emergency kit or upgrading your current setup, this list covers the tools every prepared professional should consider owning. Number 1. Choosing between stock tourniquets and true duty-ready kits. Standard tourniquets, cheap but bulky, often lack reliable retention. DIY cases, loose fit, slow deployment under stress conditions. Meet the CAT plus rigid tourniquet case value combo. Includes one NAR CAT Gen 7 tourniquet plus 1110 rigid case. Both pieces are black. Case shows grey cross for quick ID. Case fits duty belt and is MOLLE, PALS compatible. Tourniquet is lightweight, tried, true, easy to carry. Weight only 8 ounces. Compact dimensions minimize bulk. Compare deployment. Loose cases versus rigid fit under pressure. Rigid case secures CAT, enabling faster, more reliable access. Perfect for first responders, military, and outdoor enthusiasts. Buying advice? Get the combo to save money and space. Value call-out. You receive both CAT and case packaged together. Order now and equip yourself with dependable tourniquet protection. Number 2. Meet the Andia upgraded Fireproof bag. UL certified to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, protects documents and cash like a firefighter wearing body armor. Sealed waterproof zippers survive full firefighter hose spray, truly waterproof, dual pocket design, with 2 zips for classified secure storage. Generous 15 by 11 inches, fits, legal files, passports, cash. High visibility reflective strip locates bag instantly during night evacuations. Time is life. Find valuables fast. Exit Faster UL certification means lab-tested protection up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat-insulating functional materials block ultra-high temperatures like armor, water-resistant construction, and sealed. Zippers create a full 360 degrees barrier. Foldable, lightweight and portable slides into luggage or glove box. Hanging strap makes grabbing it meaner. Emergency, embarrassingly easy. 2 pockets mean separate cash and documents without messy digging. Large capacity stores, birth certificates, contracts, photos, wills securely. Durable materials resist daily wear and emergency level hazards. Perfect for homeowners, protecting family papers and emergency cash. Small business owners, secure contracts, payroll, and receipts on the go. Frequent travelers, fits in carry-on, hotel safe, or under seat. Reflective strip acts like a tiny lighthouse in smoky darkness. Think of it as a fireproof wallet for your life's paperwork. Zippers pass water resistance tests. They shrug off hose blasts, UL rated 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, repeatedly emphasized, not marketing fluff, tested fact, compact when folded, roomy when open, smart, practical design, gift-worthy for family, friends, new homeowners, and travelers alike. Installation: none, use, simple, security, serious peace of mind. Think fireproof, think waterproof, think fast evacuation, that's Andia. Backed by material science, not hearsay engineered to perform. Carry it, tuck it, or hang it ready when needed. Evacuation seconds matter. Reflective strip and dual pockets save time. Buy certainty. UL certified protection. Waterproof zippers. Organized 2-pocket safety. Number 3. Stranded at night. No visibility. Feeling vulnerable and anxious. Flat battery and flashlight. Spare batteries nowhere to be found. Poor roadside warnings lead to near misses and unsafe passers-by. Rain or waves make traditional flares useless and unreliable. Heavy traffic or storm reduces rescue visibility significantly. Hitching boats or camping at night, lacks clear location markers. Cold, wet conditions can damage disposable flares and batteries. You worry about loved ones driving without proper emergency tools. EcoAngel road flares offer 9 versatile flashing emergency modes. Select SOS, Steady, Strobe, or Maritime signals for precise warnings. Upgraded USB-C rechargeable port for fast, universal charging convenience. Large 1000 mAh lithium battery holds charge for extended standby. Indicator light shows red while charging, green when fully charged. Waterproof TPR coating protects electronics in heavy rain or waves. Crushproof PC and ABS shell resists impacts from vehicles. Strong neodymium magnet secures flare to car or boat surfaces. Folding hook and flashlight mode enable hands-free repairs and checks. Compact disc design floats, serving as maritime marker or buoy. Maintenance-free rechargeable design eliminates constant battery replacement worries. Long standby over 1 year keeps readiness without frequent charging. Bright LEDs increase visibility, reducing collision and rescue delays. Perfect for drivers, campers, boaters, essential for every emergency kit. Thoughtful gift to show care for friends and family's safety. Magnetic base lets you signal hands-free while working on car. Floatable design and maritime modes enhance boating safety at sea. Durable build withstands drops, compression, and rough outdoor conditions. Easy Type-C, charging in car, home, or portable power banks. Fast, responsive after-sale support available within 12 hours guaranteed. Carrier set maximize visibility from all approach angles quickly. EcoAngel flares. Calm reassurance, practical protection for every journey. Number 4. Dead battery drama again? Did your car ghost you today? I blame the cursed parking spot. Not your bad luck, but seriously running late and your car whispers, "Nope." Enter my secret weapon. NOCO Boost GB40 Pocket Rocket. One-handed, 1000 amps starts dead batteries in seconds. Flat, up to 20 starts per charge. Yes, 20 glorious restarts. Fits, glove box, weighs 2.5 pounds. Your tiny lifeline, always spark-proof clamps and reverse polarity protection. No dumb mistakes, also doubles as a USB-C power bank. Charge phones instantly recharges in 3 hours, ready faster than your coffee break. 100. Lumen LED with 7 modes: SOS, Strobe, Drama, included IP65, rated rugged K-splash, dust, and existential crises survive. Heavy-duty clamps mean real power transfer, not toy vibes. Gas engines, up to 6, 0L. Diesel, up to 3, 0L. Works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, boats adventure ready, 20 starts. Tiny size. Your fleet's new favorite babysitter comes with clamps. USB-C cable, microfiber bag, organized chaos. Engineered in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty, no sparks, no wrong connections, yes, even your uncle's help. Imagine roadside night fix. Flashlight, starter, phone charger, mic drop, small enough for glove box, strong enough to start panic 3-hour recharge means it's actually useful, not decorative, rubberized over-molded casing. Drop it, curse, keep going, friend. Perfect for outdoors, people, tired commuters, and fleet operators. Stop waiting for roadside assistance. Be your own hero. Seriously. This thing resurrects dead batteries like a magician. Meme fact, it's the power bank your car approves of. Trust me, it's saved my schedule, dignity, and weekend pee. Lands. Grab a GB40 because running late shouldn't be a tragedy. Click. Stash. Drive your tiny superhero awaits. Mic. Drop. Number 5. Night falls. The campsite goes quiet, except for small fears. A child's flashlight flickers. Parents worry about the dark. I've been there, stranded, powerless. Wanting reassurance. That's why I carry the Jackery Explorer 300 Compact. Quiet and ready when life throws surprises. It stores 292 watt-hours of clean, reliable power Effortlessly. Durable Life PO. 4 battery keeps you safe and confident. Longer cycle life means decades of dependable energy. Plug phones, lights, refrigerators stay connected outdoors comfortably. Solar-ready design charges from the sun while camping. Pair a panel. Harvest free energy on adventurous days. No gas, no noise, pure, peaceful power. Last winter, our RV lost grid power unexpectedly. We set up the Jackery and felt immediate relief. Kids kept reading, heater hummed, din. Nurse stayed warm, neighbors asked where the light came from tonight. More than power, it's peace of mind. Freedom to explore without constant battery anxiety anymore. Ideal for campers, RVers, and emergency preppers alike. Lightweight enough for a weekend, robust for emergencies. Ports for USB, AC, and DC keep devices running. Fast charging means morning starts without slow waits. Built with safety features you can trust wholeheartedly. It becomes part of our family adventure ritual. I recommend it to everyone planning off-grid. Trips. Imagine a night outdoors that feels truly secure. Number 6. You don't need bulky filters to drink safely outdoors. Many hikers overpack heavy bottles and risky purification methods. That belief costs energy, space, and sometimes health. I'm an outdoor gear specialist with years guiding expeditions. Trail runners and thru hikers need speed, weight, and safety. Traditional filters often sacrifice flow rate for filtration reliability. Enter the LifeStraw Peak Series Collapsible 650 ml squeeze bottle. It combines ultralight packability with proven water purification technology. Built-in LifeStraw filter removes bacteria and protozoa effectively. Lab-validated microfiltration targets contaminants without chemicals or batteries. Squeeze design delivers fast, controllable flow on the move. Collapsible bottle saves space and weighs almost nothing packed. I tested it on a multi-day thru hike last month. Filtered every stream sample quickly, no clogging, consistent flow. We drank directly from streams with zero gastrointestinal issues. Number 7. Ever been stranded with no supplies during a trip? Minor injuries become big problems when you're unprepared. Rummaging through a messy bag wastes minutes, increases panic. Bandages missing, tools scattered, water ruining important items. You need reliable, organized supplies for real emergencies. Especially on trails, boats, or during sudden storms, meet the Surviveware 238-piece comprehensive premium survival kit. Designed by adventurers to solve real outdoor first aid, needs 238 pieces. Bandages, tools, splints, antiseptics, and emergency supplies. Labeled, organized compartments mean you find supplies instantly. No more digging, no time wasted. Searching during emergencies. Water-resistant, 600D rip-resistant polyester protects contents reliably. All pieces sealed in durable laminate pouches for waterproof protection. Compact, but rugged, built to withstand hikes, trucks, and ATVs. Molly, compatible with removable Velcro system for secure attachment. Attach vertically to packs, roll bars, trunks without slipping, D-rings and strong Velcro keep the kit where needed. Thoughtful layout, created by experts who actually adventure outdoors. FSA and HSA eligible for added practical value. Before, injured, panicked, bottles wet, supplies impossible to find. After, calm, fast treatment, everything clearly labeled and ready. You stabilize wounds, stop bleeding, and prevent infection quickly. Everything organized for hiking groups, solo travelers, and families lightweight enough to carry, comprehensive enough to handle crises. Real peace of mind when weather turns or trails. Surprise! Practical, no-nonsense kit you actually want on every trip. Easy to store. Car, pack, or emergency closet. Built tough, organized, and ready for whatever comes next. Grab the Surviveware. Number 8. Cold night. Distant storm. He trusted his small kit. I still remember the relief on his tired face. A simple gift saved us during that unexpected mountain night. It's not flashy, it's the quiet confidence that matters most. For fathers, husbands, or adventurous boyfriends, this is for them. Meet the 1 4-in-1 survival kit. Compact, durable, reassuringly practical. Small enough to slip into a glove box or backpack pocket. Includes tools for cutting, fire starting, fishing, navigation, and emergency. Number 9. Ever worry a small kitchen fire could turn catastrophic fast? I used to panic when grease fires flared unexpectedly. Fire extinguishers sometimes make messes or are hard to reach. You need something simpler, immediate, and mess-free at hand. Meet JJ Care Fire Blanket. Instant protection for emergencies. Set of 4 40 by 40-inch blankets, gloves, hooks included. Dual-layer fiberglass with fire-retardant film resists up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit. Meets EN 1869 to 1997 standard reliable certified heat protection. Non-toxic, portable, and doesn't expire ready whenever needed. Perfect for kitchens, cars, camping. Number 10. Last quake. Gas hissed loudly while electricity flickered and died. Neighbors panicked. I fumbled with a rusty wrench, uselessly. Water pipes shook. Minor flooding threatened my lower cabinets fast. Phone battery low. Emergency numbers on voicemail. Adrenaline rising. Couldn't find the right tool. Every option felt inadequate. Next morning, I scrolled survival gear videos. Eyes searching. An influencer demo caught my attention. Sleek, silver, multi-tool. Click the link. Read specs. Firefighter designed 4-in-1 emergency tool. Photos showed gas and water wrench. Non-sparking pry bar. Thousands of 5-star reviews praising earthquake readiness. Convinced me. Feature that grabbed me. Non-sparking heavy-duty alloy construction. Designed by firefighters. Practical, compact, built for real emergencies. Compact size fit perfectly into my existing emergency kit. Also a pry bar great for jammed doors after tremors. I kept imagining turning off gas quickly, avoiding explosion risk. The tool felt heavy-duty in hand. Confidence replaced panic instantly. During next drill, I practiced shutting valves with it smoothly. It fit multiple valve sizes. No more guessing or adapters. Pry bar function opened a stuck gas meter cabinet effortlessly. Non-sparking alloy gave peace of mind near flammable odors and leaks. Compact enough to store by the main shutoffs, always ready. Fast action prevented a small leak turning into a disaster. Neighbors later thanked me for stopping the leak before flame. This tool gave me actual emergency confidence, not just theory. If you're a homeowner, first responder, or prep, ING enthusiast, listen. Imagine being calm while everyone else scrambles. That's priceless. Would you rather fumble in panic or act with certainty? For quick peace of mind, grab the firefighter-designed 4-in-1 now. Don't wait for the sirens. Equip your home before disaster. Ready to protect your family? Tap link and get yours today. That wraps up our list of 10 essential emergency preparedness gadgets every modern professional needs to own. The right equipment can make a critical difference during power outages, roadside emergencies, natural disasters, or unexpected everyday challenges. From reliable water filtration and first aid supplies to fire protection and backup power, each item on this list serves a purpose when normal resources aren't available. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family so they can build a stronger emergency preparedness plan too. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.